Well, it's been quite the year so far. Spent about half of the year moving all of our stuff from the East Coast to Washington State. And while it's beautiful over there, it's just not quite the same. So, we took some time off. It was very last minute. No real planning. Just doing. We told a handful of people what was going on, but I knew that I wanted it to be the biggest surprise of the year. It wasn't until about 2 days into the trip that we made it there, but we saw some beautiful sights along the way. It really was a great decision, just to get away for a little bit. But as we got closer, I got more anxious. I didn't realize how much I missed my friends. I missed my dog. Most importantly, I missed home.